Well, let's start the way it looks, which is a total stunner. And I know there are conspiracy theorists out there, but when they saw Oklahoma City moving up, many felt that they were going to get number one. They end up in the top three. This is a great piece for a Clipper team that needed something positive to happen. And Memphis may be the biggest winner of all because they get to move into a spot to pick another quality player for a young roster that really got better as the season went on. But there are two teams who came out miserable in this. The Kings are one and Washington's the other.
All right, and Kings, of course, who we want to talk about. Now, you and I watching this, you said if they don't get one or two, it's not just bad luck. You said it's disastrous. Please explain how this affects the franchise and the city of Sacramento.
A number of ways. One, and you always have to start with the players. You need good players to win. The Kings won 17 games last year, and this is a two-player draft, really. When you get pick one or two, the Kings need a coach. You might be able to entice a bigger-name coach, a better coach to come to your situation. But the third piece is getting people to come to the games, and the Kings need a new arena in the capital city. This is really a deflating day for Sacramento Kings fans.
But the Warriors, of course, finish off with number 7, like we thought. Who do we think we'll see in the Warriors uniform?
That's a great idea. There are a lot of speculation of what position works best, and when you look at Don Nelson teams in the past, there's some who will tell you you need a great point guard to run his system, while others will say he just wants an offensive-minded guy who can put the ball in the basket. You want to throw names out there? At number 7, Brandon Jennings is probably going to be the most popular name at number 7. If he's there, it's a good pick. It's a safe pick. But again, remember, first-round picks in the NBA at the age of 19 don't take you from 30 wins to 50 wins. They just give you a brighter future.